This is a video poem about Lohbado's first bicycle trip down to the river following Lachine Canal to Parc René Lévesque to a panoramic view of the river. I spent 4 hours during this outing, pausing a lot, riding very slow, eating a can of sardines along the way. It feels good to be out, to go down to the river, to let go of stress and worry that built up during the winter when one was stuck indoors with the walls and ceiling closing in, a feeling of claustrophobia, the euphoria of suddenly being able to go outside and ride carefully because there are lots of bumps, cracks, potholes, people suddenly flinging their car door open without looking, people pull U-turns, and so on. One has to ride very carefully. I do all I can. I have this safety vest and a little flashing red light on the back of my bike.